Where do ideas come from? We as artists learn about techniques and materials. But how do you move from copying what is in front of you to developing ideas for your own compositions? How do you figure out what you want to say? Each life is unique. Thus, each artist has her own voice, his own experiences. Hi, my name is Kelly Borsheim, and I have been a full-time artist since 2001. I will be teaching a creativity workshop in Norfolk, Virginia at the D-Art Center on September 12, 2026. We will spend the day doing a series of exercises to help you learn how to develop ideas that are important to you. This masterclass is for beginning or intermediate artists or anyone feeling stuck, or worse, bored in your art. Click on the sign up link in the description below and let's start exploring. See you in September.